I'm making a hopefully quick video today, taking apart this U9. It's a MIWA U9. It's a pretty hard wafer lot. My buddy Retep gave me some cutouts that he made on a 3D printer, and so we're just going to be putting together this this cutout U9 on video. So let's get started. So once you remove the C-clip on the back and get the washer out, take this key out. I'm going to slide this out of here. I've never taken apart a U9, so this could end up being like a really bad disaster. Screwdriver here. Alright, it's happened. Here goes one screw. It'll just have to be okay. Alright, go. So now we done took out these two little screws. Let's set these over here. Well, here's this crazy vac washer. I don't even know if I'm supposed to take that out, guys. Makes sense. Let me see if I have a plug follower for this real quick in my toolbox. Then you're gonna wanna, you know what, you don't even have to have a follower. I think I'm tripping. Let's move all these out the way. I think you just need a key, and then you need to probably put your finger over where the sidebars are gonna be. Okay, there's the sidebar. So well machined. Ordering, you could do something like that. We did it, boys. We did it. He said put the C-clip back on this joker, but look at this. You can't even, I mean, I guess he means this one. Washer. I think. Okay, cool. We can still do it. Take, oh no. Alright. We're gonna do this. Awesome. Look, now the little plug with all your wafers isn't gonna come out. And maybe we'll even see a really thin pick just to mess around with this for 2 seconds. I think I got some 15 thou Andy Law pick. You can take out one of his wrenches too. I think this was the first U9 I had ever bought from a fellow named Michael. Yeah, look, you can see all the inner workings of it. There we go. So once you make these little cutouts, I guess like most cutouts, I've never used the cutout before, and I've never really seen the purpose of them, but for something like this, oh yeah, definitely. You can see all the little gates in them. Figure out how to pick one of these suckers. Look at that. With wafers and sidebar. then you get rid of these pieces, but then you end up with something like this, which honestly is much more valuable, especially when learning how to pick these little bad boys. You guys have a great day, and please like and share if you feel like it, but definitely subscribe if you learned something or liked something you saw today. And I'm going to have a lot more videos coming out.